What? Good boy. Yeah, this dog is wound up. She said, give me that leash. I'll walk my own self. Yeah, I saw something funny down here. I had to take a picture of that fella over there. He come asking me for money. I found a penny on the ground. I told him times were hard in trucking right now. He couldn't even have that. He was standing right there. But y'all look, this trailer, it's got Celadon on it. Y'all remember that? Come on. They were giving a reward for trailers, you know, when they went bankrupt. The towing companies were holding them hostage. And they were offering rewards for drivers to tell them where they were so they could go get them. I bet somebody wrote Celadon on that, thinking that they could get a reward for it. You know, some crackhead did that. There's us over there looking mighty fine, looking good. Uh-oh, y'all, looky there. I ain't uh-oh, baby's got back. Y'all know y'all want some of that. Let's see what she does. Uh-oh. She's in there. Oh, hell. I wondered what he was looking at me for. Maybe he thought I was the door-to-door whore. Woo! That was funny, y'all. Me a door-to-door whore. I crack my own self up sometimes. Uh-oh. I know this boy right here can't be the pimp. There's something shady going on. I hope they ain't fixing to try and rob that driver. Huh. I was gonna go in and take a shower now, but he was walking over there and he looked back and he seen me. But the building's up there and he come from the hotel over that way. Something's going on. But I know she's too pretty to have anything to do with that old boy. He was tore up from the floor up. Y'all, and there she goes. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Been about 15 minutes. He was long overdue for that. Oh lordy. Walking Roxy one more time. Y'all look at that fuel island up there. Everybody talks about flatbed drivers being solar powered. Every one of them except for one is a flatbed driver. The other one, that's a dry van. Yep. Ooh, I got a shower too. Unlike the TA, you just hit that button. Unlock door. Look at there. Magic. There's a beggar right at the front door asking for money. This looks like a nice place, but look at me, I am wrecked. I had to pay for this shower, but that happens. Oh yeah. This is I mean, it looks alright, but y'all don't see what I see. Look at all that grime in there. But this is one of them stand in one spot and don't touch nothing showers, but when you're dirty, you're thankful for that. Still barking. Good morning. We got about 12 minutes before we're gonna leave. My appointment's 8 o'clock. I just looked at the notes and they say they don't start receiving until 8 o'clock, but whew, that stinks whatever's in there. I just walked her something back there. She started barking at. I'm just like, come on, let's go. She's still upset at whatever it was. That doesn't sound very convincing, but whatever it was, that's how she feels about it. You hear her mumble like a child. Hush. have made it to the Bass Pro Shop.
Drive to road behind you on North Kings Highway or reroute from current location.
Well, you couldn't really see which way this was going.
GPS signal lost.
I was kind of scared to turn in right there, but I didn't see another entrance anywhere. They need to trim them back. I need some shirts, so hopefully I don't get dispatched too quick and I'll be able to go in there and somebody took out the telephone pole. Oh, there's another road right there. Well, I'm gonna stop right here. They said there were some containers, so this will be good enough. I got everything unstrapped. Now I got to get my big old butt up there and unhook them. I'm gonna leave the strap right here on both of them, just in case I have to move it. Let me crawl up here. I'll tell you what, these trailers, these grooves right here, those are rough on your knees. Easy enough. Come on. Ow! I just scalped myself. Whoops. Get my hair out of the way. I couldn't find my clippy. So, toss that one over there. You gotta watch your straps up here too. This stuff will cut them. There it is. Look. Oops. I guess that hole right there, I wonder if that's to put the fishes in. Well, nah, I'm gonna get down right here and climb up back there. I don't know how he got that through there. Somehow. Oh, there we go. I sure am glad he did that one for me. Woo! Because I don't know that I would have done it like that. But, well, yeah, I guess I would have. But no, I'd have went to the front up there. No. Well, anyways, that's it. I guess I better get to work winding these jokers up. There we go. Woo. Hello. Got me on my knees. Woo! There we go. That's them. I'd like to see what the inside looks like. I guess I could look at the model number and go look at one to see what I'm hauling. Nice boats, nice boats. Well, it is 8 a.m., so I'm going to head on in to check in. Oh, they're opening the door. He's probably getting ready to come on out. Good morning. Do y'all want me over there or do you want me over there? Okay, you want this paperwork now, or?
Give me like a half hour.
Yeah, you want this, or no? Yeah, okay. That's fine, I'll go walk my dog.
Pull out to get the forklift.
Yeah.
Our fence is full.
Okay, I'm gonna go walk my dog, no hurry. Well, he said it'd be about 30 minutes. I'll go walk Roxy. Go walk Miss Foxy Roxy. See if she can't find her a fox. Look at her sitting up there. She's such a sweet doggy. I hate she's stuck on this truck. Yeah. Hey doggy, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? You want to come out? Huh? You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? No? Okay. Yeah? You sure? You want to go for a walk? All right, Roxy wants to go for a walk. Let me put my drill up. My battery died. I had to change it. Okay, you can get out. Okay, get out. Come on, get out. Good doggy. Hold on, though. Now, you want to go for a walk? Let's go find us a fox. So we going on a fox hunt. Y'all look, Roxy wants this piece of chicken. She said, giving that to that fox my ass. Back up, back up. It's just a chicken leg. Go. Well, come back. Come back. No, come back for a minute. She's on the hunt of something again. Come on. That fox ran all the way down there. Come on, so no, stop for a minute. Stop. You want it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, go get it. Oh, she's a handful. Them pine cones are kind of rough. It hurt my hands picking it up. Kick it, get it. Yeah, it hurts. She's entertaining herself whilst we wait. All right. Hayes getting boat number 1. Look at that, look at that. Too bad he ain't unloading it at my house. Oh, look at that wasp fly out of there. Y'all see that? Oh, hell, let me back up. I'm not allergic to bees, but I'm allergic to pain. I will jump a fence to get away from them, and I have. Got it. He's lowering down number 1. This stuff ready for him. He is on the ball. I thought those wheel chocks were screwed in, but they're nailed in. I got my hammer out. Well, go ahead. I don't think that's gonna sit. Let me do it a different way for him. I'm gonna have to climb my butt up there. Whoop, whoop, and the boats are on the ground. Boats are on the ground. Up there. There we are. Just like that. I wasn't expecting it to come up that easy. But it did. Well, let me do it this way. There we go. Perfect. Well, and just like that, we got another one in the books. I'm gonna grab my paperwork and I'm gonna go shopping. It's in a load yet, so I'm gonna just go park and go in here and go get some of those long sleeve sun shirts. They Nike makes some good ones, but the Nikes are too expensive to just get out here and do this kind of work. I'm gonna, what way I'm gonna go out here? I think I'm gonna come back around that way, but I'm gonna park over here in this lot over here out of the way, and I'm gonna walk up front whilst I wait on the load. It shouldn't take too long. The only thing I've ever loaded out of this area is I've been sent to Monroe, or the other Charlotte Pike. Oh yeah, it's nice and wide over there. This will be a good spot right over